Hello, mate. Josh and John here, and today we are back
with another video in a year.
Yeah, we're gonna go biking today. Yeah,
biking video.
Yeah, we look like construction workers.
Because people like to fly in the hauler for some reason.
Yeah, and we both have horrible brakes.
Yep, we sure do.
John's brakes sound like they're about to give out. Mine are probably giving out.
You guys are gonna hear it in a few seconds.
I'm recording. If we wreck, I'm gonna be in bad trouble probably.
Really?
Well, because I'll be hurt. All right, don't slow down. Do me a favor. Do not slow down.
Why?
Because I can't slow down.
You can't?
I cannot.
I mean, you can slow down.
That's the slowest I can go.
That's not too bad.
Pass me up if you can. Let's just fly. Uh-oh. Come on, keep going. Go, stop. Oh my God, I actually can't stop. Boys, I'm clapped. I can't stop. My brakes are awful. Like, I mean, well, I basically don't have any brakes. But, I mean, we've put too much work into our bikes by now. I've had to oil my chain, pressure wash my bike, other stuff. Air my tires up. Yeah, me and John's been planning this freaking trip the whole week. Like, it's been a process. But we're here now, so I can't just give up on my bikes, but won't stop. Let's go.
You look like a motorcyclist without the motorcycle.
Without the motorcycle?
Yeah, without the helmet.
All right, let's go.
See?
Yeah, don't slow down.
Okay,
Because I literally can't.
okay, so let's keep right.
Yeah. And give me a yell if you see a car. And I'll swerve into the ditch. Here we go. No brakes, literally. I'm telling you, man, I can't slow down. I actually can't. It's actually horrible. Like, if we see a car, I'm kind of screwed, like bad.
Right down this road, like we're in 1 minute down this road.
Okay, are we going to push back up though?
No, I mean, it's not steep at all. I mean, we might have to.
We'll probably have to. Let's go to the store. Oh my, I tried waving, it almost wrecked.
Really?
Yeah. Is that dog gonna bite us, John? Oh. What's that? Need a haircut? Yeah, just right down the road, down a gigantic hill. Yeah, not far at all. No, not too far at all, yeah. John, you freaking liar.
Yep. 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 Well, guys, did you record us going to the Rockets Market?
Yeah, I didn't record us actually getting there and seeing that it was closed.
Yeah, guys, that was actually closed.
Yeah.
So we couldn't go get no snack. Now we're trespassing.
We were trespassing.
Yeah.
It was that fat dog we just saw.
That one's the nice one.
But we just saw it that way. How did it get here so fast?
Oh, that's a different dog. So you look, it's bigger.
It looks the same.
What is it, red truck coming down the mountain?
What do you mean? That's the same exact dog.
It's really long.
It looks just like it.
Guys, we're just burnt up already, even though we've only been out here for like 40 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
How much farther do we have?
Okay, so we got to go up to that mountain, or over that little path. It's like pretty straight, and then it'll be up a mountain, and then there'll be this humongous mountain past Jace's house. And then that's when the real ride starts.
Oh, yeah.
It'll take us a while to get through that.
We got like an extra little ride, though, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Even though it was time for nothing.
Yeah,
Look at this.
I know it was for nothing. Huh?
Look what I brought, sir. Just in case.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I didn't even know you brought that. Guys, it's got the fire on.
And then I have this, too.
Man, you're ready for anything.
Yeah, I've already used that to make a gun, though. I want to try something. I've never had this before.
What is that right quick?
It's melted all to pieces.
Okay.
It's like a protein bar.
I had me 4 sandwiches before we came.
4 sandwiches?
Well, I had one at 4 o'clock in the morning, 2 of them, and then I woke back up at like 7 and ate 2 more tuna sandwiches.
So you just woke up hungry and ate every single time?
Yeah, pretty much. What does that taste like right quick?
Cardboard. Cardboard. Looks like cardboard too.
Yeah.
You gonna try it? Make
Well,
sure.
yeah, let me try it right quick. So hard as a rock.
Humongous mountain.
Yeah.
This is awful.
I'm tired, really.
We had to take a pit stop. We parked right there. This mountain's actually humongous. But soon enough, it'll be really worth it because there's a big hill, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a really big hill up a hill.
That big fat dog just scared the crap out of me. Looks like a polar bear.
Yeah, I know there's a big fat white dog up there.
Okay, guys. I just kicked my pedal really hard.
Guys, you're on my fat head now.
Yeah. You guys
So
watch me wreck. I'm about to wreck more.
Josh has volunteered to go first, so let's see how that goes. And remind you, oh Josh, be careful of this curve. Oh, this is steeper and crap. Yeah, do the old foot trick. Yeah, do it like Mario Kart. Here we go. Give me the sign if there's a car. Oh, here we go. By the way, guys, Josh cannot stop, hardly. So if we come across a car, we are My brakes actually don't, I mean, they hardly work, but I mean, it's better than nothing. Okay, here we go. Now, 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 now. Oh, there's Joshy. What's happening on your screen?
I'm here.
Okay.
I couldn't stop though. I couldn't slow down.
Really? Just riding around. No.
No, it's tiring.
But it's fun.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Mountains. Oh.
Yeah. 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 See you.